swallow a juice peel?
Whoa, that's wild. Ah! Alright, calm the fuck down. What? How did I do that? It's going in the water today, boys.
Yes.
Look, fountains aren't running very high.
There it is. Ooh, stop! I don't know if I'm next to the water or not.
When in doubt, don't just... And prop is... Yes, fly with a loose prop over the water. That's real smart.
Nailed it. That's... You think I'll kill the ESC?
How?
With the prop being so mangled.
No, if anything, you're gonna kill the motor.
Motor, I mean. Whoa, fuck! Alright, I'm bringing it back. Not bad for a first pass.